Whoop, hang on. Got to set my camera to video. And we'll turn that on. Is it recording? There we go. All right, so what's happening is, since I did a couple other bridges, I am going to do the Dawson Bridge, which is also here in Edmonton. And unfortunately, it's against the sun. There really isn't any good vantage points from the other side. So
take off.
See what we can do here. A little bit breezy, but we'll give it a whirl.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yeah, a lot of light against it. The sun is on the other side, of course. We can see where the sun is, so pretty hard to see. And I'm not feeling very comfortable with the wind as strong as it is, so I may not try this too much here. Let's see. A little bit. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, we flew across the river and back. That seemed to work okay. I am going to dare to go up a little bit closer to the bridge. So we'll go forward and see what happens. Problem is I can't see it very well at this point. Hoping this video is turning out better than what I can see on the display. Okay, that should be just about the whole bridge. So turn it slightly that way, you can see the base. Turn it slightly the other way. There's the east side. And we'll spin it back around. Come back and we'll see where I am. Down there on that pier. So we'll come back this way. Yep, I'm down there. Okay. Well, I'm going to land this thing, so we'll try it from the other side.
Landing.
Oh, no, you don't. I'm not gonna land if that's what you're gonna do. No. What do you see there, doggy? Oh yeah. Had one yesterday that did the same thing. Came out of the river and heard it and said, "Oh, I want it." Yep. That's not a problem though. Thanks. Yeah, that one's, it's the Mavic Mini. It's 249 grams, so it falls just below the regulation to have the license. And it, you know, as you see, no hands on the controls. It holds pretty steady. It's wonderful. It's a beautiful platform for taking video from, you know. Yeah, actually I bought what's called the Fly More package. So you actually get 3 battery packs with it, and I get about 23, 25 minutes out of one pack. So that's great. The controller will last all 3 and then some. And as you see, we got a little bit of a breeze, and you can hear it adjusting and stabilizing. Eh? It's an excellent video, so I like it. And I bought the big one too, and the thing is, you can't fly the big one anywhere, you know, legally. Yeah, you know, so you kind of, unless you go get your license, right? This, at least, it's 1 gram under the level, so we're all good. All right.
Landing.
Okay, guys, I'm recording the screen, and now we move to the other side of the bridge. We're gonna see if we can get some video of the other side of the Dawson. Here we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Now, I had to stay back quite a ways from the river. Unfortunately, there's quite a bit of there's the bridge. Quite a bit of trees along the edge. So very, very difficult to see. Anyway, I just wanted to see if I could do this. Get out past the trees, get back over the river a little bit, and we'll see if we can fly it that way. Yeah, we're a little further out around the river, and we have a more decent look at the bridge. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see if I can fly a little further, closer to the bridge, a little further away. We'll turn it a bit. There, that's actually a pretty good shot of that bridge. And I'm liking it. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, just so you have this video fulfilled. And we're going to carry on to the next bridge. So remember, this one is the Dawson Bridge. It's one of the very old ones here in Edmonton. And like the old styling, it's pretty cool. The area that it goes into usually gets flooded out. Lots of fun, so hitting the home button, and we'll see how things go.
Go home.
And we got a helicopter overhead, so I hope my bird is not going to interfere with no helicopters. Anyway, I don't see it yet. I hear it, here it comes. And she's overhead. And
Landing.
there I am. It's coming in for landing. Nice area here. The river's just through those trees. Okay, and it's coming down on its final. Beautiful, nice and soft. There we are, nice touchdown. Okay guys, that's it for the Dawson Bridge here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I'm gonna go find another bridge and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you on the next one. Bye.